Class 2, let's continue our syllabus with part 2 for lesson number 2, role of computer. So open page number 14 of your computer books. First is computer in school. I guess you all know a little bit about it, that for what purposes computer is being used in school. So let's read it. First point is teaching. You can check the point on the left side and picture on the right side. So the first point is teaching. You all know that we have smart boards in each class and teachers use that smart board for teaching you, right? So teacher uses computer for teaching in school. Next point is learning and studying in lab. So children can learn and study in lab. They can learn how to use computer parts like keyboard or mouse, and by using them how they can do drawings or type in the computer. Next one is sending reports and circulars to the students. Take an example of present condition. All the updation, syllabus, circulars, etc. class teachers send to the parents from the computer. So they prepare all the circulars in the computer and then they send it to the parents. Next is keeping records of fee. Now, children, you all know that thousands of children are there in our school. So, to keep fee records for each child, computer is used in school, which is very important and helpful too, as school management can easily find out who paid their fees and who are left. So, they can keep all the records of fees of each and every child. Preparing the result. Your class results, report cards is prepared on the computer. And this year we send the result online after making it on the computer, right? For the UT1. So preparing the result, computers are used in the school. Maintaining records of books in a library. Now you all know there are so many books in our library. So how many books are there? How many books more required? Which child issues which books? When is the returning date of that book? All such kind of records of library we can store in our computer. Okay, now the last one is preparing question paper. Teacher also use the computer in school for preparing question paper for the exams. So children, you can check all these points. It is mentioned in your books as well. So these are the points how we can use computer in our school. All right. Next page is page number 15. Computers in office and computers in bank. First, let's have a look how computer is being used in the offices. All right, so let's start. First point is typing and printing document. In offices, people mostly use computer instead of notebook or copy, pen for typing or writing a document. anything if they want to write, they will use computer. They type in the computer and take out the print of it with the help of printer. Keeping a record of employees. Employee means workers. How many people work there? Who is doing which part? Their designation, salaries, etc. All the records of each and every employee in the office, they store in computer. Sending and receiving emails. Emails. I guess you all are familiar with this word now, as you have to send your mails to your subject teachers during the exams, right? So, for sending and receiving emails, computer is used in offices too. Okay, let's move to our next topic. Now, next is computers in banks. How computer is being used in banks? Computers are widely used in banks. In fact, nowadays all work of banks is being done on the computer only. Let's read them one by one. Their uses in bank. Withdrawing money from an ATM. You all know what is an ATM? And I hope most of you have seen their parents withdrawing money from it, right? It is very useful machine. Anyone at any time, anywhere can withdraw their money from it. Okay. Next is maintaining accounts of the customers. Customers' accounts, like details of them, like how much money is they have, their name, account number, everything maintained in the computer. Next is keeping record of money. Bank is a place where we can save our money for future use. So many customers deposit or save their money in the bank. So to keep all details or records, computers are used. All right. So in bank, it is widely used to keep the records of all the customers separately. All right. Okay, now next is on page number 16, computers at home and computers at railway station and airport. Children, now this we will do in our next part. Till then, just revise till page number 15 once again for better understanding. Thank you.